Hi everybody, welcome back to BubblePOP Kids. We have the most amazing and magical show for you today. Here it is right in front of me, our magical coffee machine. It's light blue with a little bit of orange. It even has a storage compartment to put the coffee. You can close it down and it's got a button on there. Wow, and it actually sounds like a real coffee maker. This machine also came with 3 little K-cups to make our yummy drinks. This one, ooh, this definitely looks like coffee. And this green one here, ooh, this looks like some green tea. The third one is hot chocolate. That looks so yummy. It's got a little chocolate bar on there. And when we want to make those drinks, all we have to do is pop the top, put one of our little cups inside, and close it. Another cool feature about our magical coffee machine is it has this cute little coffee cup that comes in and out. So cool. But actually, instead of getting coffee out of this machine, I think we would rather get some surprises and surprise toys. I cannot wait. So in order to help us, I found these 6 little bottles of magical dough. There's 6 different colors. We have yellow, green, pink, red, purple, and orange. We are going to put this magical dough in our coffee machine one at a time and see what it comes out with. Let's do this, you guys. We are starting! I am so excited. I cannot wait. So how about the first magical dough we're going to put into our coffee machine is the pink one. Ooh, let's see this color. It is such a pretty pink. It matches my nails. It's the same color as my nail polish. Ooh, and it's super squishy. Ooh, here it is, our magical pink dough. I could squish it around all day. Such a pretty color. What do you guys say we put this into the coffee machine? So usually when you're making coffee, you will put one of these coffee cups, but we're not doing that because today we want some surprises out of this. So I'm just gonna roll up a little ball, put it right in there and close it. Alrighty, so our machine has the magical dough inside. Let's press the button and see what we're gonna get. Whoa! We definitely did not get coffee or tea. What did we get in our coffee cup? It looks like, whoa, I have wanted one of these forever. It is a SHOPKINS Happy Place blind box. I can't believe my eyes. This machine must have known what I was hoping for. I wanted one of these. This is the first ever SHOPKINS Happy Places I will ever open. I'm so happy to find them. I really don't even know what's inside. They kind of look like petkins. Surprise delivery, we get 3 petkins and a tile. Whoa, cannot wait to open this. Got it, and this is just the cutest little box ever. It kind of looks like a mail package. It's got all those cute little shop keys on there. Open here. What is that? I guess that's a little tile they're talking about. And the blind bag. Whoa, that is a big one. What else? Ooh, we also get our little collector's guide in here. Ooh, it's called the Home Collection. Special features. Let's do this. Cannot wait. It looks like there's 3 blind bags all connected. Open the first one. Wow, this is super tiny, you guys. I have never seen anything so small. It looks like a little toothbrush. Too adorable. I just wish it was a little bigger. It's almost the size for like a little ant. Super tiny. It's got a cute face. Ooh, I'm curious what the next one's gonna be. We're going for the second blind bag. Ooh, this one's a little bigger. Oh, it's so cute, but what is it supposed to be? It looks like a little petkin. It's kind of a box. We have to check the collector's guide. Wait a minute, I think I get what it is. It may be like a little bathroom toothbrush holder because I see these little holes. Wow, that is just too precious. Look at that. Alrighty, so our final bag. Maybe another bathroom surprise. What could it be? Here it is. Oh, look at this little cup. Maybe that's for the bathroom as well. Kind of looks like a bunny. I love these happy places. Okay, so I'm kind of figuring out what this stuff is. I'm looking at the collector's guide and it looks like this is the bathing bunny collection. It's like a little bunny bathroom collection. Look at those ears. So the name of our little happy places are... Wow, the names are kind of plain and very easy to follow. So we got toothbrush. There it is, a cute little yellow toothbrush. And this one here is toothbrush holder. This one here is... Yes, another easy and simple name to remember. Here's our little tile. So these are from the Bathing Bunny collection and I love them. We have to get more of these. On to our next coffee surprise. And we're going with the green magical dough. Whoa, the pink was super lucky. We got some Shopkins happy places. Ooh, this one's just as squishy and so bright. Kind of like a lime green. Wonder what surprise we're gonna get with this one. Let's find out. We are gonna pop the top. Ooh, and the pink one disappeared. Take a little piece of this green stretchy dough, roll it into a ball, and place it right in there. Boop. Hit the button, and hopefully a surprise will come out. Wow, I don't see anything. Let's check our cup. Ew, what is this? It looks like some brown coffee slime. Ooh, what happened to our toy? It looks like our magical green dough turned into some brown coffee slime. I guess it didn't want to give us a toy. But this is super, super stretchy. So funny. How did that happen? I think there's a malfunction. Let's check our machine and see what's going on. How did that get in there? We have some green magical dough and here we have the coffee maker. Wow, that's probably why we got this green coffee slime. Let's try this again. So we're gonna pop this baby out, put in our green dough, blow on it for a little good luck. Going in for the second try. Come on, my little coffee maker. Do not disappoint us. Here we go. Whoop, now we're talking. This cup has something in there. What is it? Oh, a little panda present. Here it is, this little panda gift. And if you flip it around, it's a giftum. Series 1. If you've ever had a giftum before, they are super adorable little dollies from all different countries, all over the world. Cannot wait to see what this one's gonna be. Oh, I love the little panda face. First thing we have to do is lift the little gift top, look at that red bow, and take out our dolly surprise. Ooh, look at this one. She's super, super beautiful. She's got her blonde hair. This one looks like it might be Sweden. I see like the Swedish flag. Let's see. Here's our little collector's guide. Who is this little dolly? Whoop. First, we gotta unwrap her to get a closer look. It's like a dolly in a blind bag. I will take that any day over a cup of coffee from our magical coffee machine. Whoop, how do I open? And I found her. I was right. I recognize that Swedish flag. We got Stella Stockholm. There she is. Look at her red lips. She's got blue eyes, blonde hair. She's got like a little side pony, Swedish flag on her skirt, and boop, her hair pops off. And the fun's not over because our little gift box also opens up. We can just pull down the front, pull out the sides, and there you go. It says Stella from Sweden. It's got the Swedish flag, and it also has 3 different places in Stockholm, Sweden. Wow, these are such breathtaking pictures. I've actually never been to Sweden. I always wanted to go. I guess these are 3 historic landmarks. If you guys have been there and you know where these places are, you can leave me a comment. We have this one here. This looks like either a palace or a building. Here's another one. That is so cool. And there's also a little peg here so we can put little Miss Stella right inside of the gift box. Oop, she fits right in there. You can close the sides. And put the top back on. Now she's a little panda gift. Woo! And if you're not familiar with giftems, they are so cool because boop, they're kind of like little puzzles. You can pop their heads off, you can pop their outfits, and maybe you can even, sorry, their head popped off. You can change their hairstyles, you can change their clothes. I love these little dollies. We are on to our third little jar of magical dough, and it is the purple one, my second favorite color. My first favorite color in the whole world is pink. Then I love purple. Ooh, super squishy and doughy. You guys know the drill by now. I'm just gonna pop this top. Take a little piece of this purple squishy dough. Time to see, what is this? I know what this is, you guys. I'm sure you do too. We got a Kinder Surprise egg and something else in there. Oh, we got a little ladybug. That purple dough was super duper lucky because we got two surprises this time. A Kinder Surprise and a little ladybug. Here's a little ladybug, but I don't think this is just any ordinary toy. Would you guys look at this? It is lip balm. OMG. We got some lip balm here. This is so awesome. I love candy and I love surprise toys, but my favorite is the lip balm. Look at this. It's kind of clear. It smells so good. It smells like strawberries. It's got all of that glitter. And then on the other side, it comes with a little mirror so you can apply it. Closes right up into a little ladybug. I love this. Second one up is the Kinder. Love these. I am in the mood for some chocolate. Here we go. Let's pop it open, and here is the toy. Boop. What is it gonna be? So curious. Whoa, it looks like we got a little car or a truck. Ooh, this is a good one. I'll just push my chocolate to the side, save it for later. Let's see what we have here. There's little instructions. And it looks like we have, it is a car. It's called a Sprinty. And it looks yellow. Probably is this one up in the corner. There's 3 other colors to collect. Try to put it together. And after putting this together, here is the finished product. It's our little yellow Sprinty truck. So bright. Yeah, all we're supposed to do is connect this little piece here. Woo! Try it again. Woo! Oh, blast off. Super amazing. It's got this little piece here. You just clip it on, and as soon as you press it, the car rolls. Here's another look at those 2 surprises, some lip gloss and the car. Let's keep going. On to our 4th little jar of dough, and it's orange. Ooh, this one looks like a pumpkin. Rolled it into a perfect little orange ball. Put it in a coffee maker. And do this. sounds like it's finished. Whoa, I see a blind bag in here. We got, LPS Littlest Pet Shop. And we also got, oh wow, you guys, from Secret Life of Pets, we got a milk keychain. Oh, look at that little chubby puppy. Here they are. Oh, first let's take a look at this one. I still haven't seen Secret Life of Pets and I keep hearing it's so good. I just can't wait to see it, maybe this weekend. Here is Mel. He's on like a little clip. This is so cool for school because you can put it on your backpack. And I went to Toys R Us and I saw a Secret Life of Pets backpack. It would look so cute from there. So we get that little pup, and we also got an LPS blind bag. What series is this? It is, it's a Cozy Snackers. No time to waste. Let's get one of our little Cozy Snacks and see who it's gonna be. Come on. Ooh, what is this? It looks like a little bucket or a planter. Here's our collector's guide, and oh, we got a little yellow froggy. Oop, there's something else in there. Ooh, what is that? I also have this little piece. Looking at this, it looks like a little teeny tiny scoop of ice cream. And we could just stick that right on Froggy's head. Ooh, this looks like a tropical one. Get on there. Oh, how funny is that? And I found it on the list. Here is our little Froggy with a scoop of ice cream on his head. He doesn't have a name, but it's number 3984. That's kind of funny. And here's the little box he sits in. Oh, and it's got a little picture of an ice cream on there. He just pops right in, and that's our little Cozy Snacker. We are on a roll. We have so many surprises, and we still have 2 more dolls, the magical ones. Ooh, it looks like ketchup and mustard. How about we go with the yellow? Let's pop the top. Woo! And here it is. Ooh, this one really does look like a mustard yellow color. This time I am hoping for something amazing coming out of this coffee machine, so I'm gonna try and put the whole piece. Maybe it'll be lucky that way. Here we go, pop it, shove it all in there, and close. Time to hit the button, time to make the coffee surprise. And boom, it definitely looks like the cup's not empty anymore. Ooh, it's stuck. We got a pony Fashem. Oh, I love these. Super squishy. And we can even collect a crystal one. There's another one. Dory! A big old ball of yellow magical dough served us right because we got 2 of the best ones. Look at this. Fashems, little pony ones, and a Finding Dory collectible dog tag. Let's open this one. I've opened a couple of these before. Woo! It's a horrible sound. I've opened a couple of these before and I have really cute ones, but I still haven't collected Dory or Nemo. So maybe we're gonna be lucky. Oh, who is this? It looks like we got Hank. Oh, look at this adorable picture. It's Hank holding a little coffee pot with Dory inside. It says new rule, no talking. I guess Hank doesn't want to hear Dory. Oh, this is such a pretty one. I love this blue color. And we can take a little look-see at the collector's guide here. There's 12 different ones to collect. I still want to get Dory and Nemo. We have this little seal here. Ooh, this one is cute. I think that's Destiny. Love all of these, but we got number 9. We gotta get more of these. And for a pretty pink pony Fashem matching my nails. Ooh, which one are we gonna get? There's Pinkie Pie, Fluttershy. They even have, ooh, I always forget this little one's name. I think it's Spike. Maybe we'll get him today. Unwrap this I can't believe it. I think we got a crystal one. How beautiful is this, you guys? And it is one of my faves, Miss Pinkie Pie. This little Pinkie Pie is so amazing looking. It's super squishy. Ah, look at its eyeball. Feels like a water balloon. It's kind of jelly. And it's just so beautiful. Look at the little cutie mark with 3 balloons. It's a light pink and a dark pink. She is perfect.
I'm super jiggly too!
Alrighty everybody, so it is time for our final jar of dough. And it's red. Woo, such a bright one. I love this. I'm going to stick it in the machine for our final surprise. This is super duper sad. It's the last time I'm going to be sticking our magical dough into our magical coffee machine. You know what's funny? I never actually gave this magical coffee pot a name, and since it's this beautiful blue color, I think I'm going to call it Mr. Blue. So, Mr. Blue, do us a favor and give us a good one. I'm holding my breath. Let's see what it's gonna be. Let's take out our coffee cup. Pour it. Whoa, we got lots of things. Woohoo! We got 3 surprises on our last try with the red magical dough. Can't believe it. We got a Yummy World blind bag, a Charm You blind bag, and I know what this is. I've seen these before. Look what this is, everybody. We got this teeny tiny little cupcake, and when you open it, it is a lip balm. Even looks like a little peanut butter cup. Let's see the color. Ooh, it's red. And it smells like cherries. This is the second lip balm we got today. Little bit of toy surprises, little bit of beauty. Love it. And we got a Charm You. These are the cutest little blind bags. I think they're from the makers of Shopkins. There's always 2 little Charmies inside. Let's get some new ones. Oh, little watermelon. Oh, we got a little watermelon charm. How precious is that? And this little watermelon reminds me so much of the season 1 Shopkins. I can't remember its name. If you know, please leave me a comment. It looks just like that one. And we also got this cute little pink unicorn. These are the most adorable little characters ever. And it always comes with matching stickers. We got the little water, and this unicorn kind of looks like a mix between a piggy and a horse. Well, this is it, our final surprise to open of the day, and it's a Yummy World. These are by Kid Robot. They're the cutest little keychains ever, and they usually look like food. What is this gonna be? Oh, we got another watermelon. Look at this one. We got a big one and a tiny one, and they're both little keychains. How funny is that? Find out this little watermelon's name. There is a collector's guide here. What is it gonna be? Its name is Bonnie. That's such a unique name. And I love that it's square. It's not your old-fashioned round watermelon. Cool.
Hi everybody, here's Bonnie, the square watermelon, and I'm super duper sweet.
We've reached the end of the show, and I hope you guys enjoyed this video as much as I did. I love putting the dough into our magical machine and seeing all of these surprises come out. We are going to have so many more fun videos coming up on the show. This is BubblePOP Kids. You can click this big red subscribe button here and subscribe to our channel. Have a great day. Bye.